Today we will see vibrations of air column in a pipe open at both ends. In this previous article we have see the vibrations of air column in a pipe open at one end. Today we will see the vibrations of air column in a pipe open at both ends. So we have considered a pipe which is open at both ends as shown in figure. The boundary condition of this pipe is that the antinodes at open end, this is the boundary condition because there are antinodes at open end. So when a source of sound like a tuning fork is held near the one of the open end and send the waves through the air column inside the pipe, then what happens when the waves sends through the pipe? Suppose a compression produced by tuning fork is travel through the air column, get reflected from the open end, and it will be reflected as a rarefaction. Compression will be reflected as a rarefaction from the open end, and rarefaction moves back and get reflected again as a compression and interfere, and will get the stationary wave. So during this time the path difference is twice L, because L and there the second reflections takes place, so that path difference is twice L. Here path difference is twice L. Twice L as to path difference. Now if we consider the first mode of vibration. First mode here, the boundary condition of this open pipe at both ends is that there are antinodes. At the open end there are antinodes. So in this case there are two antinodes and one node. So that let n1, suppose n and lambda be the frequency and wavelength respectively. Therefore V equal to n into lambda. But we find the frequency, that's why n equal to V by lambda. In this mode, L is the length of pipe and capital L is the length of vibrating air column. What is L is the length of pipe and capital L is the length of vibrating air column, because there is a end correction at both the ends, because both the ends are open. So that if the end are open, then there is a end correction. Here end correction. That's why this length is greater than this length. Now length of vibrating air column L equal to lambda by 2. Here we have considered the wave. This wave having the frequency n and wavelength is lambda. Lambda is the wavelength. So we have considered from this end and to this end. Then the length L equal to lambda by 2 half. Therefore L equal to lambda by 2. Therefore lambda equal to twice L. Twice L. Now put this value in this equation. Therefore N equal to V by twice L. But here there are end corrections. Therefore this length V by twice L plus twice E. Because what is E? Small e? End correction. Here pipe is open at both ends. That's why there are two end correction. One is at this open end and another is at this open end. Therefore here capital L equal to L plus twice E. And this is the frequency of, this is the fundamental frequency. This is the fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Fundamental frequency or first harmonic. This is the fundamental frequency. So this fundamental frequency equal to V by twice L or V by twice L plus twice E, because capital L equal to L plus twice E. Understand? Now we consider the next mode of vibration. Because the length of pipe is same, but the air column vibrate in another mode or different mode. Air column vibrate in different mode of vibrations. Therefore the next mode of vibration must be, see here, next mode of vibration. Next mode of vibration, we know that boundary condition, there are antinodes at the open end. This is the next mode of vibration, because boundary condition is that there are antinodes at the open end. Antinode at the open end. And L equal to lambda 1. Why? Because in this mode, the same length of air column vibrate in another mode of vibration. That's why its frequency and wavelength will be changed, so that here second mode, suppose N1 and lambda 1 be the frequency and wavelength respectively. So in this mode of vibration there are 3 antinodes and 2 nodes between them. So again V equal to velocity equal to N1 lambda 1. Why we have taken velocity V equal to N1 lambda 1? Because velocity is constant in the air medium, because in all these mode of vibration the medium is same and velocity is same. Therefore there is no change in velocity. So V equal to N1 lambda 1 and N1 equal to V by lambda 1. But length of vibrating air column, L equal to, here here this is 1 lambda 1 by 2, this is another lambda 1 by 2, so that here lambda 1 by 2 plus lambda 1 by 2 means L equal to twice lambda 1 by 2, therefore 2 to cancel and lambda 1 means here L equal to lambda 1. L equal to lambda 1. Put this value in this equation, therefore N1 equal to V by L. Lambda 1 equal to L. But N1 equal to V by L plus twice C. L plus twice C. Now we can arrange this equation by multiplying 2 and divide by 2. Therefore N1 equal to twice V by twice L plus twice E. But this equal to, we know that this equal to N, fundamental frequency in first equation, so that N1 equal to twice N. N1 equal to twice N. This is the frequency of second harmonic or first overtone. This is the frequency of second harmonic or first overtone. N1 equal to twice N. Equation number 2. This is the another mode of vibration. Here we note that the same length of pipe and same length of air column vibrate different mode of vibration, and boundary condition is that there is always antinode at the open end. Therefore the second mode of vibration must be this, and it contains 3 antinode and 2 nodes, and we get N1 equal to twice. Now third mode, we consider the another mode of vibration, that is third mode of vibration. In third mode of vibration, again the boundary condition is that there are antinodes at the open end and nodes between them. Antinode, node, antinode, node, antinode, node, antinode. L equal to 3 lambda 2 by 2. आता या मोड मध्ये आपण लॅम्बडा 2 घेतली वेवलेंथ. अगेन सपोज n2 and lambda 2 be the frequency and wavelength respectively. Therefore V equal to n2 lambda 2. V is the velocity of wave. Then again n2 equal to V by lambda. But length of vibrating air column L equal to lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 2 plus lambda 2 by 2. Lambda, here lambda 2 by 2 half, wavelength half, lambda 2 by 2, lambda 2 by 2 and lambda 2 by 2 3. We can add this, then we get L equal to 3 lambda 2 by 2. Here shown in figure 3 lambda 2 by 2. Because the same length of air column vibrate different modes. So there is a change in frequency and wavelength. So we have considered in this mode of vibration N2 is the frequency and lambda 2 be the wavelength. Therefore, here lambda 2 equal to wavelength equal to twice L by 3. Now put this value in this equation. Therefore, the above equation becomes N2 equal to V by twice L by 3 means this equal to 3V by twice L. But N2 equal to 3V, capital L means L, small l plus twice E. Twice L plus twice E. End correction. Capital L means L plus twice E. End correction. E means end correction. Here E, end correction. So again this equal to N in first equation. Therefore N2 equal to 3N. Equation number 3. This is the frequency of third harmonic or second overtone. Second overtone. So in this way we have seen that equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3, all harmonics are present as a overtone in this mode of vibration of air column, so that we can generalize this equation. The frequency of the frequency NP of pith overtone is P plus 1 into N, where N is the fundamental frequency, where N fundamental frequency, N fundamental frequency, and P equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. If we put this value in this equation, then we will get, first we put 0, then we get N. 2, if we put 1, P equal to 1, then twice N. If put 2, P equal to 2, then twice N. In this way we get all harmonics. Therefore this is the general condition. Find the frequency of pith overtone, vibrations of air column in a pipe open at both ends. So we understand this. Okay.